Right, so I have connected to my MECM server. Right, so what we'll do, we'll go to disk management. I'll go to disk management, disk sorry, and so now paging is not here, so I'll change the drive letter first. And I'll create a simple volume here in my 500 gigs hard drive. So it is taking the D drive, you can see. I'm going with the default options. Now D drive is ready, and I'll give K drive again the paging file options. Advanced performance, advanced virtual memory, and I'll select my temporary storage. I'll set system managed, set, okay, okay, and okay. Now first my option will be I'll go to IE. So IE has some bit of challenges in working. So what I'll do, I'll download Chrome. I'll say download Google Chrome. Right, so I'll download Google Chrome. Hmm. Maybe I need to change the default security options. Or try me with Edge. I don't know. Yeah, but why I'm downloading from here? Instead, I can directly copy from here. No? Wait. Rest I'll download. Yes, so I'm having this up. I'll go to this. So this is uploading to our virtual machine. So it may take a couple of moments. So I hope so everyone downloaded Google Chrome. Yes. Yes or no? Please respond. I'm not able to hear anyone. In Windows, did we download at Google Chrome?
No, sir.
So what you can do is you can download Google Chrome offline installer. Don't download enterprise version. So you can see here. Uh, Let me check. Okay, yes. So I'll share this link. So here you need to click on this link, right? Once you click on download, then click on this link. So if your exe is downloading as it was showing for me, so if I click here download Chrome manually, so it should give a standalone exe files, Chrome standalone setup.exe, right? If it is another file, then that means it is not an offline installer, right? So I'll share this link, just a moment. I'll share this link in the chat box, or let's say I'll put it here and I'll put this everything on email. So Nikhil, let me just put. So whosoever is not able to open Gmail on HCL laptop can forward from your Gmail to your HCL ID. So I'll remove Devendra and Moti Manoj. So Moti Manoj will be not considered, and Devendra. Right, so this is the last link of google.com, right? That you need to download.
Okay, sir.
Meanwhile, mine is almost 70% completed. So the important thing which I'll tell you to download is keep the download of SCCM server, so it will be helpful to us tomorrow. It will save our time. Sorry, not tomorrow, on Monday. Or shall we join tomorrow?
No, sir. Actually, I have to go
No,
somewhere
sir.
else, sir.
So eventually it is lockdown. We'll sit at home and we'll take the session.
No,
Na?
sir. Actually, the program is made 10 days before only, sir. If if the run time I will postpone the program, the family member will anger on me, sir.
So you can join. You can take the tablet with you, na? So you can join from tablet.
Sir, don't have money to buy the tablet, sir.
So you can take tablet of any friend. Na?
Sir, sir, buy it me, sir. Buy it for me, sir.
Sorry,
Sir, give me 50% cash for tablet, sir.
50% cash.
Yes, sir.
See, eventually I didn't got my salary from 4 months.
Yes, sir. We are not earning also, sir.
But see, you are not earning. You have less expenditure. I have 1 lakh monthly expenditure.
Just
Sir,
sell
we
your
have also,
PS4.
sir, expenditure.
Just sell your PS4 and buy the tablet.
Nobody. I have just resell my PS4 and buy the PS5.
So better buy tablet.
No,
So
no. I buy the PS5. No,
I
resell
hope
the PS4. No.
I hope everyone received the email.
Yes, sir. So receive.
Yes, sir.
So please download Google Chrome and upload to your SCCM server. So you can see on my SCCM server, Chrome is uploaded. So I'll just double click it. So I'll install it. Or for 10 minutes, please be attentive on the screen. Eventually, screen is getting recorded. Yes. Right, so my Chrome is getting installed. आधे घंटे के बाद चलते हैं, मेरा गाड़ी लेने जाना है।
सर वीकेंड पे पार्टी करने जा रहे हो, सर?
मेरा गाड़ी बिगड़ गया है, रास्ते में खड़ा है, उसे लेने जाना है।
नहीं सर, दोस्तों के साथ सर गाड़ी थोड़ी ना लेने जाते हैं।
अभी सुचित्रा सर, तो मैं इसको ही, मेरे फ्रेंड को ही बोल रहा हूँ, मेरे फ्रेंड के यहाँ आया हुआ हूँ। सो आई टोल्ड हिम दैट आई वी नीड टू गो एट 4:15 फॉर पिकिंग अप माई व्हीकल दैट इज स्टैंडिंग ऑन द रोड, and in Bangalore many roads are very narrow. I need to take it to service station. गणेश का मोबाइल उधर लगा देगा?
हाँ नहीं मैं हुआ
हाँ, तेरा निकाल, मैं चार्जिंग में लगाना लैपटॉप। यहाँ लगा दे।
अच्छा लग रहा है साफ सुथरा एकदम टेबल भर गया था। एक मिनट यार, इसको ठीक कर देंगे आप। होली होली होली।
Right, so my Chrome is installed. You can see my Chrome is installed. So I'll open Chrome. Please for 10 minutes be attentive on the screen. Then you can start the labs whatever I have shown. I have just shown to download and copy Chrome. Right, so I'll maximize it, and what I'll do, I'm having links which are open here. So first is of MECM server. So I'll go to MECM and we'll download the same. Yeah. So I'll open that link and I'll open SQL server. So I'll go to SQL server download. So SQL server download link is here in this file only. It's SQL server. So this is the link to download. So we don't want to download 2016, but the same link will work. Okay, so first I'll download SQL Server. So I'll download SQL Server 2019. Right. we'll select exe. Don't select Azure, we'll select exe. Right, so you can download 2017 also, because 2017 is supported. So if I come to the screen, you can see you can use this version with cumulative update version 2 or higher, as long as your cumulative update version is supported by the SQL Server lifecycle. So we will instead download 2019, so that will be the better option. So I'll click continue with exe. So it is asking my details, I'll fill my details. Let's I'll click on download. So it has started downloading. And this is just a downloader, so you can see it is downloading now. And it is, we need to select download media. We'll select download media and where you want to download. So we need to first download ISO file, and we want to download in our new partition. So if I open my file explorer, it's this PC D drive, so I'll create one folder in the name of SW software, so or SCCM software. I'll download in this partition, in this directory. Right, so I'll give this directory here. Right, I am downloading the ISO file and language is English, and I'll click download. So you can see it is showing so much good speed. Right, it is showing 184 Mbps. It will be downloaded in a couple of seconds. Right, so I'll minimize this and I'll open Chrome again, and I'll come to our this Microsoft Endpoint Configuration Manager. So I'll select continue. Right, so I'll say give the details again. And I'll select continue. So it is asking 2103. I'll select download. So again you can see it is now downloading 1.1 GB. So I'll select show all. So you can see it is downloading twice. Right, so you can see it is getting downloaded and it will be downloaded in a couple of seconds. Right, and meanwhile I don't require, I'll cut it. Maybe we'll be requiring in future sessions. So I'll go to my I'll close this and I'll go to run, and I'll open D drive and I'll paste Chrome here. Right, apart from that, what we want to download? We want to download some another 2-3 things. So I'll open new tab and I'll come to my ADK. So I need to download ADK also. Right, so ADK, you can see it. This you have the links in email. You have the links in email. So I'll go with ADK installation. So I'll go to my virtual machine 181. Yes. So here also I need to first check which version of ADK is supported on for our SCCM server 2103. Right, so here if I come down, so 2103. Or let's say our Windows 10 is of which version? Anyone remembers which is our Windows 10 version? Yes, no.
No, sir.
Wow. It is
It's
21
two
S.
something.
Yeah,
20,
21.
20 H2 something.
Yeah, 21 S2. So if you see here, so we have 21 S2. So yeah, 20 H2 and 21 H1, right? So this download of Windows SDK we need to download. We need to download this SDK. So this is for Windows Server 2022 and Windows Server 2022. So we are not using Windows Server 2022. So Windows Server beta version is released, technical preview version is released for 2022, that is after 2019. So we need to download Windows ADK version this, right? So we'll be downloading this. So I'll click on this link and you can see the ADK has been started downloading. And if I go to this folder, my both things have been downloaded. So this is my ADK and this is my MEM, that is Microsoft Endpoint Manager. I'll go to my D drive and I'll paste under this utilities, right? So this, you can see this is an application file, it is showing application. So if I double click it, so it will ask me to extract. So I'll extract in this directory only. So let it come up. It is taking time. See, 16 GB machine RAM is working slow. So your virtual machine was working faster than this, na?
Yes, sir. Too much faster.
So meanwhile, let this go on. I'll come here and we'll go to this link. SMSS. So SQL Server Management Studio. We need to download this also. So we'll come here. So I'll open first this in a new tab. And we'll keep this for download. So we want for 2019 version, right? So we need to carefully check which versions are supported, right? So here 18.19. So it all supported versions. So let me check. SQL Server 2019 is supported probably. So 2019 is supported, Windows Server and SQL Server 2019 is also supported. You can see here 2008 to 2019. This version of SSMS works with all supported versions of SQL Server 2008 to SQL Server 2019. Right, so we will download this. And again, it is of 635 MB. Let it download. Meanwhile, we will extract our MECM. So I'll change the drive partition. Sorry. SCCM SW, and I'll click unzip. Okay, my directory is wrong. Copy. So I'll again double click it or open it, and I'll paste the path here, and I'll click unzip. So you can see a folder will be created and it is unzipping in that folder. So I had mistake here, I gave double colon here also as we gave after D drive. So that's why it gave an error. Right. Meanwhile, we'll check our download has completed or not. Right. So our download has completed. You can see here. So I'll go to this folder and I'll copy my SMS setup to my software SW. So our download have been completed. Everything download has completed. So now what do you want to do? You want to download this everything. Am I clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Or shall we continue more 2 hours?
More 3 hours.
Why
Sir,
you
I
don't?
think you are
So
not
your car
feeling
car
well
will
to
be stuck
take
there
rest.
only.
Sorry, Madhavi.
You're not feeling well, right, sir? So take rest so that we can do tomorrow.
Someone may
Yeah.
steal your car.
No, no one will steal my car. Don't worry. So please download everything. I'll upload the session